Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Indian, and today I'm going to unbox this Hisense 1.5 ton inverter split AC. This is the indoor unit and MRP for this indoor unit is around 13,000 rupees. Uh, this is the outdoor unit, and you can see it's by Hisense, and the MRP for outdoor unit is around 26,000 rupees. So it's from Hisense. It's a well-known brand. Okay, let's unbox this and let's cut these tapes. And now I'll unpin this box. So I'm doing this unboxing at my own risk, so I don't recommend you to do this with your own AC, because sometimes when these installation guys come, that time they can deny the installation if they found this unboxed. So I won't recommend you this. I'm doing this at my own risk, and I'm doing it for you guys. You can see it's all-in-one healthy air solution, no gas leakage, vitamin C filter, HEPA dust filter, antibacterial filter, outdoor filter, self-cleaning, anti-corrosion treatment, gold fin protection, and this company, and it's a and this one is with dual mode inverter, fast cooling, fast cooling, energy saving, cost saving, and Wi-Fi control. This is the remote for this AC, and these are the installation screws, battery, and all this stuff. Now I'm recording this video with my phone, and this team will install this AC for us. AC installation is a long process, so I am cutting down this video. Now you can see it's working. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.